Okay guys, another unboxing for you. We got the Samsung Buds Plus. Now, these are great for everything. I mean, they got great bass for listening to music. They are great for phone calls. They are easy to use. They got a battery case, huge battery life with the battery case, and they are sort of a jack of all trades. So if you want something that does everything right, you get these puppies. Now, let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay, that here and here, and like pop them out. Now, what do you get with these? So here are some. We've got a USB Type-C charging cable, obviously, and we got different hooks for all ears. I can see at least 4 here, so it's all good. It's gonna fit in your ear. Samsung has made sure of it. Let's leave that over here. Let's leave that here. Let's go to the actual product. It's a very nice case, nice finish. Let's open these. Now, I just opened this and I almost instantly get a notification on my phone. Let's see. Nope, I gotta set them up. But look at these beauties. I mean, this is a beautiful bud, nice design. They are easy to click, as you can see. We got the left one and the right one, just in case you got them mixed up. What goes where? They are easy to use, easy to click. I cannot wait to try them out. So, if you want something that can cover all bases, you get these. For the price, you cannot beat it at that price. If you want something just to listen to music and you're not very competitive about it, well, you can choose something else that's cheaper. If you want to go to the AirPods and just pay more cash, yeah, you're welcome to. But these will get you the job done, and these will be more than satisfactory. So this is just a quick unboxing for you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I will let you know when I test these. I will give out a mini review of those pretty soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.